Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best Bluetooth car kits in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Gogroove FlexSmart Bluetooth FM transmitter for car radio. This is one of the best options when it comes to working with it overall. You never have to worry about using it since many reviews show it is one of the best on the market. First of all, we get to see that the onboard controls are good. They allow for ease of accessibility so that you can have an easy time making the adjustments. Another thing is that it allows for multi-point Bluetooth connectivity. This is where it is able to pair 2 devices simultaneously so that you can be in a position to take the calls with ease. Also, it can work well with the ease of pairing. The pairing process is smooth so that you never have to worry about the overall performance generally. The model still comes with a USB charging port. This is an important feature for most similar devices. This means that you can be able to connect your streaming device to power so that you have a better power source also. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kinivo Bluetooth hands-free car kit. This is one of the best options when it comes to the overall performance. You get it being one of the common options in most people's cars. Well, the reason is that it is going to be good when it comes to delivering good performance generally. People also find it being worth the money that they are willing to spend on it. Another good thing is that you will end up with ease of connectivity. This allows for ease of pairing to the different devices. The best part is that it allows for answering and receiving calls. You can be sure that it is going to work great with different Bluetooth devices. The streaming of music from the devices seems to be quite good also. This is because it is able to support the best in terms of performance. It does work great to give you clear sound so that you do not have to worry about distortions. Another thing is that the built-in microphone is able to allow you to have a hands-free call whenever you want. Number 3. Our third best pick is Avantree hands-free Bluetooth 5.0 car kits. If you'll be using your phone mainly for calls in the car, and you're less concerned about listening to music or podcasts, the Avantree CK11 wireless hands-free visor car kit produces clear, full, loud audio. Advanced CSR Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, built-in 3W speakers echo and background noise reduction feature and volume controls your calls will be crystal clear no matter where you are. Encourages safe driving by using Siri or Google Assistant to make phone calls, send texts or get driving directions. CK11 also allows you to connect to 2 phones simultaneously and easily switch between music and calls. The motion sensor-enabled CK11 allows you to turn your device to auto power on, so the device turns itself on when your car door opens and off when the Bluetooth disconnects. Get lost in your calls, music or driving directions with up to 22 hours of battery life. Feeling a little low? Avantree CK11 rechargeable battery charges in 2 to 3 hours and features over 600 hours of standby time. Installation of CK11 is so easy your child can do it. Simply pair the device with your phone, place it on the visor with the included clip and be on your way to clear calls in the car. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Besign Bluetooth 4.1 hands-free car kit. Generally, you are going to find this as being one of the best options on the market. This means you never have to worry about functionality also. Since it comes with the Bluetooth 4.1 version, you get that it is going to be great to use overall. The technology helps with having low power use and also wide compatibility. As a result, it is going to be one of the best to use right now. This is one of the best options on the market to use today. It does come with the Auto Connect feature for the previously connected devices. This means that you do not have to keep pairing the devices since the last time you paired. The overall performance of such kits is often found to be great. This means that you will have a great time working with them. Having the ground loop noise isolator is still a nice option. This helps with eliminating the noise so that you can have the best sound quality generally. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is SoundBot Bluetooth 4.0 hands-free car kit. This is going to be the best option for you to opt for at the moment. This is because it does come with good connectivity and compatibility. Any device with Bluetooth connectivity will be able to be paired with this adapter. As a result, you get it being able to work great with all different smartphones and tablets. Overall, we get to find that it does also come with echo and noise reduction technology. It is going to work great when it comes to having a clear sound all the time so that you can enjoy a crystal clear sound. The same goes to the good sound while making calls. The best part is that no batteries are required. Just set up in your cigarette lighter and it should be good to go. Having the additional charging ports makes it better for you to charge the different devices overall. Another good thing is that it features a wearable clip mount. This allows for flexible mobilization all the time. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.